I bought a car and it was the single biggest financial mistake I have ever made. Not because the car was bad or not because I got ripped off, but because I bought it without realizing I was completely ignoring the priorities that actually matters to me. So here's the context. I had a bit of money saved up and I told myself I needed a reliable vehicle for work, for trip, for weekends and for freedom. And honestly, I was just tired of driving an old car and I wanted something like they looked good or felt good and made me like feel like I have finally made it. And I spent weeks researching models, comparing prices, and negotiating. And I felt so smart, and I felt so in control. Here was what I didn't research: my life. I had specific priority debt to pay, or business costs, or emergency costs to build up. And instead of putting that money where my actual goals were, I pocketed in a depreciating asset that lost 20% of its value now. I didn't ask what I'm sacrificing this. I only asked, can I afford the monthly payment? And that's the trap. The payment felt manageable, but the opportunity cost was brutal. My business needed $3,000 and I had to say no. An unexpected bill came and I had no buffer. And I watched my saving account evaporate. And while the car sat in my driveway 80% of the time, and I felt stuck. Not because the car was a lemon, but because I had traded the flexibility for status. I had traded the options for object. And the worst part is that I couldn't easily undo it. And selling it means losing thousands of dollars, and keeping it means I locked into a decision that no longer made sense. So here's what I learned, and what I would tell my past self. First, can I afford this is the wrong question. The right question is, what am I giving up to own this item? Second, your biggest financial leaks don't look like impulse buys. They look like well-researched, justified decisions that you never pause to question that. Third, a car, a gadget, a luxury item, none of it is bad, but it delays your real priorities by months, years. It's not a purchase, it's a detour. I still have the car. I'm not here to demonize owning a nice thing. I'm here because I wish someone had forced me to write down my top three financial priorities that time before I let that salesperson hand me the keys. So if you're thinking about buying a big purchase right now, just pause, open your note app, write down what actually matters to you in next 2 or 3 years, then ask yourself, does this purchase speed up or does it slow us down? If I'd done that, I would have walked away with a smile that time. Drop a comment if you have ever made a smart financial decision that turned out to be a mistake.